So do you ever find yourself making excuses that you just don't have enough time to work out? If so, I'm going to show you how you can do an awesome tricep workout in just 10 minutes. Stick around. Hey guys, Rick here with 5150 Fitness. Remember to always consult your doctor prior to starting any diet or exercise program. So, the number one excuse I always hear from people: I just don't have enough time to work out. I get it, we all have very busy schedules these days and just don't have the time to spend hours in the gym. That's why I put together this quick tricep workout that can be done in just 10 minutes. That's right guys, 10 minutes. So always remember to warm up prior to starting any exercise program. For all these exercises, you're going to be using between 30 to 40% of your 1 rep max. For example, if your 1 rep max is 100 pounds, you're going to be using between 30 and 40 pounds. Now these next 7 exercises should be done with a 1-minute rest in between exercises. And remember to always drink water. Here we go. Well, there you go guys. Hopefully you got a nice little pump from those 7 exercises. And if you liked the video, remember to click the subscribe button below. See you soon.